What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you where can you find buyer requests on Fiverr, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So where can you find your buyer's request? First of all, you have to be a seller, so then you can find a buyer request. So if you're new to, if you're new to Fiverr, I'm gonna teach you this. You can find buyer request by clicking on My Business tab on the Fiverr homepage and then selecting options orders from the drop down menu. As you can see over here, when you go to the business, I am just a buyer over here and I cannot view that. If you want to become a seller, just click on your profile icon over here and press become a seller. We will do that probably in a future videos, so we'll not hold on to that. So you need to go to My Business tab on the Fiverr homepage and select orders, as you can see over here. So the next step is, if you're a seller, you can use buyer requests to find your old projects with clients and manage new orders. To do this, simply type in your gig or a buyer's name in the history search tab and then press enter, as you can see in this picture over here. The next step is be sure to include all relevant info about your gig, such as pricing, turnaround time, and any special skills or qualifications you have. Once you've submitted your request, sellers will have the opportunity to send you offers. If you are a new buyer, you can use buyer request to find a new project or gigs. Be sure to include all relevant info about your project, such as budget, timeline, and special requirements or qualifications you have. Once you've submitted your request, sellers will have the opportunity to send you offers. So basically that's the entirety of the process, how to find buyer requests on Fiverr. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would be really helpful if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That's it guys, see you in our future videos. Goodbye.